Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm taking a break from doing my coursework because I wanted to share with you my Lollipop Box Club kit for this month, and it's called Every Summer Has a Story because it's summer. Well, that is still debatable, but we are in summer, I think, but it doesn't feel like it. Anyways, so that's going in my journal again. So as you know, I'm one of the creative team for the Lollipop Box Club. So I get sent this box for free. So this is an ad gifted. So let's start with the zine. You know that there's always a zine, and always like checking this out. You get, Florentine biscuit recipe in this zine. And you get a little kind of like journal card. You can cut this apart and then put this in your journal. Oh, we're gonna have a stamp swap at some point. Kit ideas. There's a little journal card thing in here that you can cut out, and some journal prompts and some kind of like inspiration layouts and stuff. And we have a journal page collage class with Elise very soon. And you've got a sketch there. Yeah, so I love, you'll notice that sometimes I take this apart, cut it apart, and make stuff with it. So let's get into the kit. Yeah, oops. Oh, wow. Okay, so I love this postcard. You can use this as a like a postcard as itself, but you can also use it as a journaling card. I love it. I love that. Got the words summer there. Oh, lovely. This is a good kit for your summer holidays. To document your summer holidays. So just making sure that I haven't missed anything. So in this little baggie, you get this cut apart card that you can use in your layout, in your planner, in your journal, in your the ephemera. You can use it as an embellishment to create ephemeras and stuff. Get these sun stickers. Hope it's not it's not glaring back at you. And then you get this little journal card as well. Little flags. Ooh, little tags that you can use in your layout. So this month we get a little washi tape, like a thin washi tape, which is really cool. You get a strip of tickets. Oh, I like these ones. These are little sticky notes. I love it. It's like a to-do sticky note that you can use in your planners. Oopsie daisy. Let's just take this off for this sticker. 3 colors: pink, blue, and green. Sorry, I've just had a swig of my non-alcoholic rum. That's lovely. Love this. This is really useful for planners. You get a sticker, like a box of stickers. You can use, again, you can use in your planner, you can use in your journals. And then you get another little postcard. What am I saying? Journal card. You always get 2 of these. I like this. It's really cool. And then you get a flower paper kit. I love this. This is so pretty. I love it. Again, you can use this to embellish your journal page. And this one, I think, will be the baggie of die cuts. Oops. Ooh, I love it. I like this. Okay. Whoops. So you get... Oh, I can't pick it up. What's going on? Right. You get little flowers, a little ticket, a little flower again. Look at that. These are so cute. Little notepad, sticky note or something like that. And a little telegraph thing with a little birdie in it. That's so cute. That is so cute. But I will put my summer kind of like die cut word in here so I don't lose it. We notice that this sticker kind of like is like the die cuts, and this is made by Mrs. Brimbles exclusively for the Lollipopboxclub. So again, you can use this to adorn your to embellish your page or to use in your planner. I love the word stickers here. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Now we come to the paper. Always excited to see what the paper is like. Oh, wow. You get 2 of each. Oh, I love this. I love the colors actually. It's like, I don't know, I wasn't sure at first, but really loving it now. Oh, wow. You'd notice if you watch my channel, if you watch some of my videos, or if you watch me here, you know that I cut this apart and use them in my projects. You get these little boxes as well. Oh, again, you can use this in your journal or in your planner just to put some notes in. And these are really quite thick paper, almost like a thin card, which is great. You get 2 of that as well. And this, you get 2 of them. They're like little circle wreaths. Oh, I love it. Oh wow, I love this. Like a sunshine cloudy type thing. Oh, that is so cute. So this is my Lollipopboxclub kit for this month. So let's see what we can create with this. Okay, so 2 weeks later. I'm really sorry. It's been a very, very busy few weeks for me catching up, but I have made a project out of my kit. Now, the base of this journal I've made before, so they are from old Lollipopboxclub kit, just the papers, and then I used my kit to decorate it. So as you can see, I've got 2 little envelopes in here that serves as a pocket for bits and bobs, and one I've made into a cover. So, and I've even cut out the, you know, the kind of like a title or theme page, theme info on the box. So I've cut the wordings out and stuck them on a background of sunny day. And then this is a die cut from the kit, and then I have little bits and pieces here. These are the bits and pieces from the cut apart washi and leftover I think leftover die cuts, but they are just ready to go and be used in this journal. So I'm gonna use this journal as my summer journal. Like so my thoughts are to use it to document the whole summer of 2024. And then this one is included in the kit, this little paper clip, and then I've included a little card there, just tucked in there, so you can again tuck in a note or a journal card in here. And as you can see, it's a concertina book. On in each divot, I've put some pages in there, just 4 sheets of paper. This is an old notepad that I've been hoarding, and I've used a combination of dot grid and lined paper, and it's quite a good quality paper, so I thought I'd use them. Use some washi, use the washi in the kit, and cut apart washi to decorate edges. There's die cut here just to decorate it, and you flip it over. And this one is from the zine. I've cut it up and again backed it and used it as like a back cover. And then as you open up on the other side, you again have a little envelope here that you can use to tuck notes, pictures, anything really, receipts or anything. Decorated the edges again. There's nothing stopping me to decorate the edges of the pages with washi tape too. So, but I'll do that as I go along. I want to make it as blank as possible, so it's a blank canvas for me to put in some pictures and memories and journaling and whatnot. And there's the other card, journal card, that was included in the kit. And then you flip it over, there's another kind of like signature there, and there's a pocket here. Use the die cut there, washi tape on the side, and just a little decoration in here. You can either put another pocket here or like a transparent pocket, but or a photograph. It's entirely up to you. So I kept it really blank. Yeah, so that is my project for the latest kit from the Lollipopboxclub. To finish it off, I've just doodled on the side, faux stitching and like doodly border kind of thing. I did kind of like try and be creative, but I stopped at 3 because I thought I'm not entirely sure, so we'll see. I couldn't, yeah, it now doesn't make sense to me because there's like star-ish kind of thing, and then there's sun. I don't know what I was thinking. And now I just have to find a blue ribbon to kind of like tie the journal together, because as I fill it up, I'm sure it will get really chunky. So that's it, guys. That's what I've done with my Lollipopboxclub kit, the latest one, which is Summer Story, I believe. And yeah, I will be doing a flip through when summer's over and I've completed this. Well, complete or incomplete, I will do a flip through and see and just show you how I use this journal for my summer journaling or summer escapades. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for bearing with me, and welcome to my new subscribers, and to my existing and very loyal subscribers. Thank you so much for sticking with me and bearing with me when I get myself together after a very busy end of June and start of July. But hopefully we will be back in normal schedule, once a week posting and stuff. I hope you're having a lovely summer too, if we can even call it a summer. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye now.